You wanna know how I got these scars?
I've been working on my Heath Ledger. You can ask Jackson. Why?
What did Jackson
He just
do?
shoots down air
Sorry,
basically fucking throws you.
Nice save, Jackson.
Guess who got the kill?
Smoke weed every day.
Oh my gosh, wait. So I just saw the Ghostbusters movie, right?
Oh yeah.
Do you guys, I'm gonna spoil it, is that okay? I mean, I know you don't care, but
Oh
I'm going
no,
to.
please don't spoil Ghostbusters Afterlife. Oh god, please don't.
Alright, basically, it was so funny. So, the biggest moment of the whole movie, right? You get
was so
all
funny.
4 of the original Ghostbusters come back. The movie theater was silent.
Really?
Like, nobody cared.
And then Bill Murray got fisted by Slimer.
Yeah.
The Pillsbury Doughboy
Slimer
had
wasn't
a
here.
leaked sex tape with Slimer. Will Smith cameo.
I'm so confused.
If you have
Oh
a
my gosh!
No,
can change your poses,
we're
too.
still
60
being Matt Black.
intelligence, bro, to wield this scepter.
yeah, so that's why I didn't get that.
It
Alright,
keeps getting
guys.
worse and worse.
I understand.
My favorite Australian is Muselk.
Shut the fuck up.
What's
I'm a
wrong
big
with you,
Chris
bro?
Hemsworth guy.
I don't fucking like Chris Hemsworth.
Why not?
He's a pussy. I beat his ass. Unbearable right now.
Who's Dimebag Daryl 6?
There's the guitarist from Pantera. That's the weirdest fucking name for a GTA.
Dimebag Darrell?
I don't
Daryl?
fucking want this kid to join. Why is he here?
Henderman Village Baby
No,
D.
why the fuck?
Henderman. No, it's no.
No handy.
There we go.
Accept it, Seamus.
I have no
Oh my
request.
fucking god, I'm gonna freak the fuck out, Seamus. It's not working.
Why is this so? Why did they keep
Seamus, it's not, Seamus, it's not working.
You have to put your friend request before you put the numbers. You have to put like the
Seamus, check your friend request.
icon.
Is it because I'm not 18? Is that why?
Oh my gosh, you actually gave your
lie for
correct
your
age,
age,
bro.
No, I'm so serious. That's what's happening to me. My account's telling me that I'm 1 year old and that I need to do parent permission. I'm trying to fucking verify it.
That is not meant to be seen here. We've had your boobies. Yeah.
Yeah, fuck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yo, F3 RDA fucking moved. Fucking kill him, he's moving! Stop! You made me laugh! F3 is really moving! Twitching, yo. Victorious, I know where you live. I know where you live. Mutilate all of your family's bodies, huh?
Oh my god! Nah, chill! Jackson, not
on the
like that!
side of the highway.
That's right, bro!
Right off Route 3. Who do you think you are? Play the Squid Game the right way and I won't fucking do it.
Pressed.
What?
Should have been like child predator underscore 42.
Wait, what did he do?
Not a child predator underscore.
What did he do?
Undercover predator.
Who did
Chris
he go
Hansen
for?
superfan underscore 42.
Who did
I
he go
hate Chris Hansen 32. Oh, you got the green alien skin?
Nah, but I can just be the random Jew that's on your team.
Oh.
Reverse. We need to lose them
Wait,
and
wait,
then I can call it.
Wait, no, it's a two-seater. I have to get a different one delivered.
See, we can't hear Seamus right now, but his mic is gonna like loudly
Hello?
come in. Yeah, there we go.
Fuck it.
You got lucky there, boy.
Me when I see the elementary school kid outside my car, and I decided not to take him.
Just getting rocked with.
Don't even speak, bro. Don't even speak.
You suck.
Oh my god.
You're such a bitch.
Do you want to know the most okayest monster flavor? No.
Do you want to know 18 other verbs that can be used instead of okay?
Okay.